Summer is a great time to tackle that home maintenance to-do list, but figuring out where to start can be a challenge. Joining us now to help us out with some great ideas to save you time, money, and all that frustration is home care expert at Angi, Bailey Carson.
Yes, maintenance is sometimes not the most fun thing to take on, but it's really important because it really can save you money in the short term and the long term. So one project that we always recommend at Angi based on our cost data and knowing it has a great payback is weatherproofing. So much less expensive than replacing your doors and windows. Think about caulking and weather stripping around your doors and windows. It's going to help you keep in the AC this summer, keep in the heat this winter, and ultimately save you on your utility bills all year round. And then second, I'd think about from a cost saving perspective, trying to do things a little bit off season. A good example would be handyman tasks. At Angi, we see a real surge in consumers looking for handymen in the fall. So if you can check off that to-do list this summer, that can be a great way to get it done more quickly and potentially save yourself some money. I encourage you to download the Angi app or visit Angi.com. We have tons more project ideas, cost estimates, and access to hundreds of thousands of pros across the country who can help you get through that summer to-do list.